Good day, Papa Tom here. Hope you're having a good day and that things are going well with you. For all the fathers out there, I hope you had a happy Father's Day. Um, this will be video 2 of a series I'm trying called Random Thoughts. A friend of mine does these random thoughts in his posts on other social media, and he's given me permission to use his different things. Some of them are funny, some of them are thought-provoking, and I just thought it'd be fun just to kind of do this and get some comments and thoughts and just try to um, let people know that they're not the only ones struggling through things. So here's today's post, and now it's not today. By the way, he doesn't want to be recognized. He's given me permission to use these, um, and so hey, here we go. It says, random thought. Mishaps and misadventures. Believe I may have mentioned I seem to have always been a weird magnet, and boy, that's the truth. I've known him since the 4th grade, I think. Strange things happen. One of the latest being my visitor and her dog. Still don't have any idea who she was. A little story. I'm having some issues misplacing things of late. Phone in the fridge, in the microwave, looking for my glasses, they're on my head. I've been there. Anyway, had to use the restroom. Did my duty, bent down to flush, and glasses fell off my head and into you-know-where. Stood there staring at them kind of like when I shaved off half my goatee accidentally. That's another story. I won't go into that right now. Let's just say I was a good look. Are you kidding me? Try to look at the right side of things anymore, and this is all I could come up with. It could have been worse. The contents of the toilet could have been more than liquid. As such, an intense rinsing seemed to suffice. Otherwise, would have thrown them away. Bright side, number 2, maybe Bubba Dog won't chew on them again since I have marked them as part of my territory. Guess the point to this ramble is, if there is one, maybe that things happen to all of us, not always to our liking, but if in relating them to others, it brings even a slight smile to their face and brightens their day a bit, then it wasn't all bad. Have a great day, my friends. May your misadventures be few and least entertaining. I've been there. I wasn't so lucky. My glasses went into the brown water, not to the yellow water. And I too, you talking about shaving his goatee or his mustache. One morning, I was heading to a meeting. I had to get up at 4 in the morning. Got up. I had a 3-hour drive. I got up. I did my stuff, shaved and all that kind of stuff. Went through the local coffee shop, got a coffee to go. Noticed I was getting some weird looks. Wasn't sure why. I thought maybe the young lady was hitting on me or something, but no, just kidding. Anyway, driving down the road, and I look in the mirror, and this half of my mustache is completely gone. Yep. When I was shaving, for whatever reason, I guess I was half awake, and this side was the one that was asleep. I don't know. So I pull into a truck stop halfway to where I was headed, go in, find a razor, pay for it, and again, the gal's looking at me, and I start laughing. I go, I know, it's been one of those mornings. And she laughed, and I went and I finished shaving everything off. Funny thing is, on that, besides that, I come home. My wife doesn't even notice that I'd shaved all my mustache and beard off, goatee off. The kids did, but she didn't. And she's the one that wants me to have it. Just one of those days, I guess. What are some of your misadventures? What have you done? Remember, try to take the positive as much as you can. Enjoy life as best you can. Take care. God bless. And remember, you are loved. Bye for now.